Welcome to my channel again. Thank you so much for the loyal subscribers, and if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Like, hit the button just below, click it, and stay entertained. So today we are discussing Airbnb decoration style and as well as Airbnb hosting, and I cannot wait. I have good news. Guess what? We are having a featured guest. I'll let her introduce herself later. She's on her way. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna get myself ready here a bit and try and make coffee and welcome my guest in my lovely Airbnb, which, as you guessed, that I decorated. Done with my makeup. Oh, I don't love this Airbnb. They have mirrors everywhere. I'm good. I need some blush. Part of being an Airbnb host, you need to make your guest feel welcomed. So as Jeanette comes in, I'm going to make some coffee and we have some snacks. So come.
Oh, yeah, that's why I love this Airbnb. We have like really nice smart glasses. So nice. For coffee, we need coffee, and guess what? They have coffee. We're just gonna boil some water, right?
So let's just wait for the water to boil and then we'll have our coffee. It's ready. Just quickly put the water. That's it. She should be here in a few minutes. Oh, she's here. So excited. Hi, how are you doing? So lovely to see you.
Nice, please. Of course.
Thank you. Welcome. Welcome, Jeanette.
Thank you for having
I'm
me.
very much excited for you to be here, and I'm so sure all our viewers have been anticipating for this kind of segment. Yeah, please let's have some coffee before we start.
Sure.
How is the coffee?
It's nice.
Ooh, I made it with so much love.
I feel love.
So, Jeanette, could you please tell our viewers what you do? I'm sure they would really like to know.
Okay, well, I deal with managing and cleaning of Airbnbs. So that is basically managing your Airbnb and making sure the place is clean. So as an investor, you'd hire me, you'd get the place and furnish it, or you'd ask me to furnish it for you. And from there on, I manage it for you. Airbnb host is someone who's in charge of the Airbnb in general. Like I'm to make sure the house is clean. You have the basic needs that Airbnb requires.
You mentioned the responsibilities of an Airbnb host and what you do. Is there anything else that you've not
Yeah.
mentioned?
Like Airbnb is right now, especially, it's big. Yeah, everyone wants to do it, but I'd like to mention this. Like most people who are getting into Airbnb are getting into it for the wrong reasons. Like they realize that. Sorry, guys. I forgot to put my phone on silent. So like I was saying, most people would just change their homes. Like I live here and I decide to just change my home to an Airbnb. And Airbnb is about like everything what she's done to this place. Now this is proper Airbnb. When someone goes online, they want to find something different from the normal home. You want to go to somewhere, if you're going to pay 5,000, 3,000, okay, normal rates generally from studio to 3-bedroom to 4-bedroom would play from 2,500 to as high as 10,000 and above. So if you're gonna pay this money, you want to find something nice, something wow. But we always get so many houses that are not wow, and yet the prices are high. So that's one thing that we're suffering with in Airbnb in Kenya. The other places, I'm not so sure keen on it, but I'm talking about in Kenya generally. But it's a good investment. I'd advise people to invest into Airbnb, and if you need someone to manage for you and cleaning and all that, find you clients. I have that. I have different packages. You can either leave the house for me for the whole month and I'm to send you your profit and I'll pay all the bills, I'll take care of everything, or you can do that and then you pay me my service at the end of the month. So my service usually is to take care of the house completely. If there's plumbing issue, there's electricity issue, anything that requires to manage the house. So you as the owner are not bothered with these small things like, oh, I need to top up electricity, oh, I need to pay water, oh, the shower, this shower, that. I manage all that for you. And I have my cleaning team will clean the house after every checkout and check in your clients, make sure the inventory is intact. All this is part of.
That's amazing. We met here. I styled the Airbnb, and she's currently managing it. So I'm going to leave her contact there in details.
Yes.
Yeah, in the description. So check her out, guys.
Because I'm looking to have more partnership, more clients, you know. So if you're an Airbnb host and you'd like someone to host, like manage it for you, if you're looking for places to go and spend a night, a month, a week, I have.
Airbnb is very interesting actually, and for some of my viewers, they probably want to start their own Airbnbs. So what kind of clients do you usually target?
Well, for clients, I target everyone from just you want to be alone and you just want some peace of mind. You're a couple, we have couple packages if you want the room to be set up romantically, like, you know, surprise for the girl or for the man. We have that. Family as well, vacation trips outside Nairobi, all that. We are open to everybody. Everybody can go and spend a night in an Airbnb.
Wow. So it needs to be tailored like to fit the target customer.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
We offer bed and breakfast. We offer, if you want lunch and dinner, all that is included, but of course with extra cash. So yeah, anything is possible.
Discuss Airbnb decoration tips, right? Most of you guys would probably want to start an Airbnb as a side hustle and you're stuck and you don't know how to start designing. So these are the 4 tips that I will give you that will give you an highlight on how you can style your Airbnb. So 1, use neutral colors like grays, whites, and monochrome colors. Neutral colors that are broadly applicable to all your clients. And then if you want to throw in your personality in a bit, then you can mix accent pillows like that, just, you know, to create that oomph feeling. And then also splash something on the wall. Your chairs can also be accents, your fabric can also be accents. Yeah, that would be my vibe. Mix and match, guys. Mix and match everything. Do not conform to the 1960s kind of style where you bring everything as a set. So if it's all green, it has to be everything green. No, please mash it up. Go wild on the colors, right? And what I mean exactly is put different genres, different textures, different fabrics, mash it up, and it will just bring something beautiful. An example would be, you can have a modern house, but you have like a rustic clock, right? You can have a cottage feeling and have a very modern clock. So that's just an example of mix and match. So number 3, update your lighting. Always, don't forget, very important styling tip. Update your lighting. Is very important. Why? Because it lights up your space. That's why it's very crucial for you to update your lighting. Look at this space in an instance. You might think there's so much light, right? Because of the natural light, but they're mistaken. Don't really concentrate so much on the floor lamps and other lamps that you can actually put on the table, but really invest in the ones that you can dim, and then for your clients' convenience, right? So if they don't want too much light, then it can be dimmable. The 4th styling tip is use your location for inspiration. There's so many people traveling all over around the world that want to stay in a place that's reminiscent of where you are. For example, here we are targeting the loving couple, right? A romantic couple. It's a getaway, and we want to have the warm feeling, the lovey feeling, and also classy, right? So in the spaces you can see we've used a lot of like pink accents, white duvet fabric, gray curtains, gold accents, like as you can see there, with this gold lighting as well. It just creates that mood. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and watching and sticking around. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now. Give me a thumbs up, so that I can be making more of this content for you guys. And I can't wait for the next episode. So yeah, keep it locked here. Sunspeak Construction Africa with your MJENGOGIRL. Bye.